Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process behind attempting to solve it, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So the problem I'm going to be attempting to solve today is 1637, widest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. Okay. So, you're given n points on a 2D plane where points I is equal to x, I, y, I. Return the widest vertical area between 2 points such that no points are inside the area. Okay. A vertical area is an area of fixed width extending infinitely along the y-axis, i.e. infinite height. The widest vertical area is the one with the maximum width. Note that points on the edge of a vertical area are not included in the area. Okay, so example 1. There's a point at 8,7 here, there's one at 9,9, there's one at 7,4, and there's one at 9,9,7 here. So the only part that I don't quite understand here, it says both the red and the blue area are optimal. I'm not sure where they're getting. Oh right, they're getting the area from here to here and then from here to here. Those are the two different areas. Okay, so both of them are equal to 1. And then for points, okay, there's a point at 3, there's a point at 9, there's a point at 1, 1, 5, 8. So really, just looking at this, it's between its widest vertical area. So I don't really think it matters how. Does it matter how high up these are? Really, does the y really matter? I reckon you could probably just disregard all the y values because it could all just be in a straight sort of line, and it wouldn't matter. I'm going to read the constraints. So y is less than or equal to 10 to the power 9, and x is greater than or equal to 1. The length of points I is 2, so there's an x and a y. Yep. N is greater than or equal to 2. What is n again? Okay, the amount of points. So it's between 2 and 10 to the power 5. And n is the points dot length. Yes, okay. So I'm just going to switch over to my notes. Yep, and what's the one we're doing today? We're doing widest area between 2 points widest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. So I was going to disregard, so we're going to be disregard any y values because I don't think they actually matter. And then we're gonna disregard any y values. Sort the, because basically you want to find the biggest. You want to put them all where they would appear on the graph. So you want to start with the smallest one on the left and the biggest one on the right. So sort the array of x values, and then find what we would iterate for the sorted x values. Compare values with 2 pointers next to each other, finding the largest value between 2 consecutive points. Okay, and then return the largest value. Let's try this, and this is going to be, well, the sorting is going to be O of that's going to be a time complexity of n log n to sort, and then iterating through the sort, so disregarding them as well. So I was just going to append them all to an array. That's going to be n. So our O log n, or O n, sorry, it's going to be O of n. Sorting is going to be O log of n. Iterating through the sorted x values is going to be, and finding the maximum values is again going to be n, and this is going to be O of 1. Okay. So let's attempt this. So I'm just going to comment this out. So disregard any y values. So for point and points, we're going to do x points, or x underscore points, dot append, and then we're going to do point 0. And we're just going to do x underscore points is equal to an empty array. Okay, so we've got our list of x points we're going to sort, so we're going to do x underscore points equals sorted x underscore points. Okay, so that's those first two ones done, and then we're going to do for x and x underscore points, or do for x underscore point and x underscore points. In fact, we can't do that. We'll need to do have an index because we're using two pointers. So for x point in range len x points, starting from 1 to this plus 1. So I know we're starting from, no, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Starting from 0, yep. So we're gonna do if x underscore point x underscore point is less than x underscore point minus 1, where in fact we need to start from 1. If x underscore point is less than x underscore, or x underscore points, and then we're indexing into this. Okay, then max underscore x is equal to so if the current x point is no, you need to find the difference of the one that you're on and the one before. So if x point, so you would be doing the bigger one here, so it would be this minus x underscore points x underscore point. So this is going to find the difference between 2 points. So if this is greater than the max, then the max is equal to this. Okay. Max underscore x. And then we're just gonna return max underscore x. Let's see if this works. No. Let's see what the problem is. Print. We're just gonna print x underscore points. Okay, 7899. Okay, so for x point of range 1, okay, if x points, x point minus 1, so if the one that the previous x point minus the one before it, so the difference between 2 points is greater than max underscore x. In fact, should it not be the next one? Should be the other way around, so like so. We hit run, and wrong answer again. I'm gonna print this each time as well. So we get, each time we get 1, 1, and 0. Okay, so that is right. So if this is greater than 0, then okay. So it's equal to this, and update this as well. I'm gonna actually create this, make this a variable. Oh. So it'll be something like area is equal to this, and then we'll do if area is greater than max, we'll do max area. Let's hit run, and max area cannot be found because it's not been defined. We hit run, test cases pass, we hit submit, and hopefully, yep, it passes. So thank you very much for watching that video. If you watched the whole thing, I hope it was useful to you in some way if you're going through these problems as well, even just seeing someone else's thought process. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Oh yeah, I love discussing these problems as well, so if you had any other sort of solution, please leave a comment below. Yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and I hope you have a great day.